So I've had this problem with my 2004 Infiniti G35. I brought it to the track. 30 seconds it shut off. Come to find out, we're not getting any gas. No fuel is shooting through these injectors. But actually, we thought it was a fuel pump, so we put in a fuel pump in at the track. Did not work, so we hardwired it, and it's currently hardwired to the battery, as you can hear it constantly going on. I just tried to crank it, no fuel coming out the injectors at the track. When we tried it, it was actually shooting the injector off of the fuel rail. I don't really know where to go from here. I've had a lot of issues with this car since I swapped it. I had a if I can get any help, I don't know if it's a clogged fuel rail or clogged injector. I really don't know where to go from here. I don't know if it's the fuel pressure sensor. I'm pretty sure, is it not? There's not this right here. I'm pretty sure it's this right here. But I don't really know where to go from here. If I can get anyone's help, that'd be much appreciated. Thank you.